Mole number, it is relative number. When given mass of substance is divided by its molar mass, then mole number is obtained. Mole number is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Molar mass. For example, calculate mole number in 45 gram glucose. The mole number is equal to given mass of glucose given mass of glucose upon molar mass of glucose. The given mass of glucose is 45 gram and molar mass of glucose. The molar mass of glucose is 180. Why does it so? Pay your individual attention. C6H12O6. The mass of 6 carbon. The 6 times atomic mass of carbon is 12. The 6 times 12 plus 12 times atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 6 times atomic mass of oxygen. 72 plus 12 plus 96 is equal to 180. So molar mass of glucose is 180. When mass is divided by molar mass, mole number is obtained. Here given mass is 45 and molar mass of glucose is 180. The 45 is divided by 180, we will get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25 mole. Another example. Calculate number of mole in 90 gram water. The mole number is equal to given mass of water 90 and molar mass of water 18. 2 hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so 2 times 1. Here single oxygen present. Mass of 1 oxygen 16. 2 plus 16 18. So molar mass of water is 18 here. The 90 is divided by 80. Mass upon molar is equal to 85 and 95. Avogadro number one mole of each substance possesses number of molecules equal to N A. Here N means number, A means Avogadro. Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Some example on the basis of Avogadro number. Calculate the number of molecules in 88 gram carbon dioxide. CO2. First of all, we will find mole number. Mole number of carbon dioxide. Mole number given mass upon molar mass. The given mass of carbon dioxide is 88 here. Now what would be its molar mass? CO2 single carbon, atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus. Here there are two oxygen, so 2 times mass of oxygen atom 16. 12 plus 32 equal to 44. The molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44. 88 will be divided by molar mass, that is by 44. Equal to 2. Number of molecules is equal to mole number into Avogadro number. Mole number is 2 and Avogadro number is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Thus 10.046 into 10 power 23. One example more related to this. Calculate the number of mole in calculate the number of mole in 12 gram urea. NH2CO NH2. Mole number is equal to given mass of urea upon molar mass 1/5, that is 0.2. Number of molecules number of molecule is equal to mole number into Avogadro number. 0.2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 या 4, 0 6 2 या 12, 1.2046 into 10 power 23. Now some idea about STP and NTP. STP standard. S means standard. T means temperature. And P means pressure. And for NTP, N means normal, T means temperature, and P means pressure. Both have same sense. Several authors or several writers use STP, and few of them also use NTP. Meaning of both are same. Temperature for STP or NTP. Temperature for this is denoted by capital T, and value of T is 273 Kelvin. When Celsius is added in 273, then Celsius is converted into Kelvin. Suppose 25 degrees Celsius temperature means T is equal to 273 plus 25, that is 298 Kelvin. For STP temperature is small t is equal to 0 degree Celsius or capital T is equal to 273 Kelvin. And for pressure, it should be equal to 76 centimeter length of Hg mercury or 760 mm length of mercury or 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 atm atmospheric pressure. One thing more here, how will you calculate percentage of particular element given in the compound? Suppose we have to calculate the percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate. Find the percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate. The percentage means mass of calcium upon molar mass of substance. Molar mass of substance, that is CaCO3 into 100. The mass of calcium is 40 and molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100 into 100, 40%. One example more. You will be seen also this at the packet of fertilizer urea. Find the nitrogen percentage in urea. Urea is a manure fertilizer. NH2CO NH2. Here there are two nitrogen atoms. The mass of each nitrogen is 14. Therefore, mass of these two nitrogen 14 plus 14 28. 28. Mass of urea, molar mass of urea is 60. So 60 into 100. 3, 5, 140 upon 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 6 ja 18. So 46.6%. At last, note. Volume of 1 mole gas at STP or NTP is always 22.4 liter. For example, calculate the volume of 10 gram hydrogen at STP. First of all, we will find out the mole number. Mole number is equal to given mass of hydrogen upon molar mass of hydrogen. The given mass of hydrogen is 10 and molar mass, molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, means 2 hydrogen present in one molecule of hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, hence mass of both hydrogen, the 1 plus 1 2, the 10 will be divided by 2, so we will get 5. Now volume at STP is equal to mole number into 22.4 liter. So 5 times 22.4. 5 4 ja 20. 5 2 ja 10. 12. 5 2 ja 10. 11. So 112 liter. 112 liter volume of 10 gram hydrogen at the STP. Thank you.